Bought a planner? Forgot to use it? We've all been there. Here's how to make a planner actually work for you. Step 1. Keep it visible. If you don't see it, you won't use it. You know, that whole out of sight, out of mind thing? Step 2. Only plan one day at a time. Don't map out the month, just today. Step 3. Use symbols. A dot for tasks, stars for wins, an arrow for when something is moved, and an X for when something, ultimately, ends up canceled. Step 4. Keep it short, 3 things max. You can always add more. Step 5. Cross it off for dopamine. Seriously, that tiny joy matters. A check mark on a checklist does things for our brains. Don't forget, planners aren't about being perfect. They're about remembering what you need and giving your brain a break. Try it your way, my friend. You've got this.